Lamphong Station. Please mind the gap between train and platform.
Bangkok's train travel may have moved on to the shiny new Krung Thep Aphiwat Terminal. But guess what? The old Hua Lamphong Station isn't fading quietly, it's having a second act. And around it, the neighborhood is buzzing with history, art, cafes, and rooftop vibes. Let's spend a day exploring this grand old district where the past and present collide in the most surprising ways. First stop, Hua Lamphong Station itself. Even if you're not catching a train, step inside. Opened in 1916, designed by an Italian architect, it still shows off its stained glass, marble floors, and that grand Beaux-Arts dome. For more than a century, this was Thailand's gateway to the world. 14 platforms, 60,000 passengers daily, even a transit hotel. Today, trains may leave from Bang Sue, but Hua Lamphong is protected as a national treasure. Look around. You will see backpackers resting, sketch artists chasing the light, and locals waiting with quiet patience. It's like stepping into a time capsule of travel itself. From here, slip into a quieter Bangkok, Krung Kasem Canal. Dug in the 1850s as a defensive moat, today it's a laid-back waterway where bridges sag with history and shophouses wear their faded paint like badges of honor. Rent a bike, stroll, or just sit by the water. Joggers pass and the city suddenly feels unhurried. This is Bangkok whispering instead of shouting. Next, prepare for a jolt. Just beyond Hua Lamphong, in a repurposed brutalist factory, is the new Bangkok Kunsthalle. It opened in 2024 and is already one of the city's boldest art spaces. Inside, the exhibitions are immersive, edgy, sometimes playful, sometimes shocking. The raw concrete shell only amplifies the vibe. And the best part? Entry is free, Wednesday to Sunday, 2 to 8 p.m. You might not always get modern art, but here you'll definitely feel it. And the walk with something refreshing. Chulalongkorn University Centenary Park. This isn't just a park, it's a climate-ready design marvel. Rain gardens and hidden drainage turn it into a giant sponge, protecting the city from floods. But for you and me, it's simply a beautiful escape. Joggers glide by, kids play under shady trees, and the tropical urban forest hums with life. It's the kind of green space that makes you forget you're standing in the middle of Bangkok. So, there you have it. Hua Lamphong isn't just a relic of rail travel. It's a district where old tracks meet new ideas, where temples brush shoulders with rooftop bars, and where you can end the night the perfect Gen X way, with a cocktail in one hand and a steaming bowl of congee in the other. If you're in Bangkok, don't just pass through Hua Lamphong. Walk it, live it, and let its stories unfold.